What is happening to Bitcoin right now? Bitcoin broke down exactly as I had predicted it, as a possible scenario in my latest video. I am Alex from AMCrypto, and let's jump here directly into the charts again. So I had mentioned to you guys the other day, and sorry that I did not make the video yesterday. I had problems with the internet here and could not upload. Let me show it to you here. So I had mentioned to you that we are forming here a potential distorted W pattern. And when we break the neckline here, exactly as we did here, I was pretty convinced that this pattern here is actually playing out, and that we will go all the way up here to the technical target of $36,530. But instead we got rejected here at this point at 34,545, as we were running here in some resistance. So let me show it to you here. So this resistance was coming in from here, from here, from here, with also resistance here and also here. So, and it has proven that this level is also really strong resistance right now, and that's why we got rejected and actually fall under the neckline of this distorted W pattern. And since that moment, since we broke down and now struggling to break above it, it's, in my opinion, invalidated for the time being. So this did not play out. We have to get here now a little bit bearish in the immediate short term. But as always, guys, I would not be me if I would not see also something bullish in the charts. And let me get later into that. So keep please watching close till the end until I show you something amazing that I found here. So here you can also see some confluence with the breakdown of the distorted W pattern. So because I had mentioned to you in the latest video that we are potentially trading here in a rising wedge. So in this rising wedge has played out. We broke down here out of the rising wedge to the downside. So and now we see here a small bounce to the upside again. So and that is due to the fact that we ran into support here at the $32,800 level, and I had mentioned that many times now in my latest video that this level is holding significant support for Bitcoin right now. So and unless we are not breaking this level, we are not going here much lower. So for now, this level is a crucial support level for us. So what could happen here in the immediate short term, that we get here a little bit higher again, all the way up to 33,600, potentially all the way up here again to the upwards sloping now resistance line of the falling wedge, former support, and that would bring us to $34,360 approximately. So, but we are running here now into strong resistance between 33,580 and 33,890. So a possible scenario is that we get up to this level, get rejected, and then start to trade lower again for the immediate short term. But like I told you guys, I would not be me if there would be not also potential bullish case. So here on the 12-hourly chart, we are still trading in this bigger falling wedge. So, and it looks like that we got here a fake out to the upside. And I had mentioned to you many times that even if we break out here, that it is a likely scenario that we run here into the resistance of the downwards trending channel and that we get potentially rejected from there, because we are running in too many resistance levels here. We were running into this resistance box. We had then the downwards trending resistance line that was that we were running into. So and some so and that's basically was too much for the Bitcoin price to push here into higher levels. So that was the reason why we got here rejected. But now it looks like that we're trying again to break out of that falling wedge, but we will run again into this resistance box. So we have to see if Bitcoin can manage to sustain above the falling wedge at this stage. But the Bitcoin price gets squeezed here right now between support and resistance, between 32,800 and $33,400, $500. So you see here, we have here only a small space where Bitcoin can continue to move. So there has to come a bigger move pretty soon, a violent move either to the downside or to the upside. And in this case, I lean a little bit more to the upside. And let me show you now why I'm telling you this. And if you're an experienced trader and you want to follow my trades that I send absolutely for free on my Twitter account, my crypto coach is my handle, or also mention here on the videos, then you can go down in the pinned comment below and use my Bybit referral link and sign up there and get a bonus of $900 after an initial deposit. So, but now let's get back here into the chart. So the upcoming volatility that I want to trade here is based on the Bollinger Bands. So at every time when the Bollinger Bands start to squeeze together, exactly what we are seeing here right now, we have always a really big move here following this squeeze in the Bollinger Bands. And let me prove that to you. So when I go back here to October last year, there you see we had here something similar than what we have now. The Bollinger Bands were widened, then they squeezed together here into this section, and then we had here a huge move to the upside, all the way up to $65,000. So, and this is something that I'm watching right now, because you can see here, the Bollinger Bands were here widened, and now they start to squeeze again. So yeah, we don't know how long they're going to squeeze, but they're squeezing, and that means a huge move is coming either to the upside or to the downside. So, but like I said, that is a little bit more midterm, so it can still take a week or two before we see that move, but this move is definitely happening. So, and as an experienced trader, I want to take advantage of this upcoming volatility. And if I find enough confluence for a really good entry point, I will definitely tell you guys about it so that we can take this trade definitely together. So yeah, that's it already for today. If you enjoyed this video, then smash up the like button, destroy the YouTube algorithm. Let's get this video again above 100 likes like we already achieved 2 times. I want to make it a hat trick. So let's try it a third time. Smash up the like, click the subscribe button, click the notification bell. And as always, see you tomorrow.